Have you ever heard of Cacio Pepe? Well, I think it's become a very popular sauce for pasta. It is a pepper sauce, just using a little bit of butter and something very interesting, a little bit of starchy water from cooking the pasta. I'm going to heat up this saute pan on about a medium heat, not crazy high, but not too low. And what we're going to do is we're going to melt some butter in the pan. To this butter, I'm going to go ahead and add some grounds, a lot of grounds of black pepper. Now we're going to also add a little bit of salt. Now this has a lot of cheese, so don't over salt it now. Something else you can add a little bit later, right? Keep shaking it. Now we're going to add some starchy water. Remember that pasta water I told you about? I actually add pasta water to my tomato sauces, to pretty much any pasta sauce that I make at home. Now, I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and that's when we're going to start adding our pasta and the cheeses into this. So now I'm going to start adding my noodles, or pasta. And this pasta is called bucatini. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little hole right in the middle going all the way through it. So when you slurp, there might be a little bit of sauce caught inside of that noodle. It's kind of delicious. But if you just like spaghetti, I'm good with that too. I think that's about all that will fit in there. So now I'm going to start adding, and I have 2 cheeses here. You can go with 1, but I love the balance of the 2 cheeses on the palate. I think it's just amazing. So here I have Pecorino Romano, and I have Reggiano Parmigiano. Not cheap cheeses. I did not buy grated. We grated it ourselves. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat a little. We're going to keep turning this over. So this is ready. I'm going to shut off the heat. This is delicious. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese before I add it into our bowl. Okay, let's go ahead and pick all this deliciousness up. It gets a little gooey, but don't we love gooey? And I'm going to pick this pan up and go ahead and pour it all over the pasta. Just delicious. And there you have it, my friends, what I consider to be a perfect cacio e pepe.